year, and I'm from Whānau.
So tell me, what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are math and boxing.
Oh, we have a boxing club at the school if you're interested.
Oh yeah, I'd be interested to join.
Okay, anyways, here's your acceptance letter. Don't get up to any trouble, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Hey Mum.
Yeah?
I got an acceptance letter for boxing.
That's so cool. Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
Oi, line up. Boys, today we'll be having a sparring match. Tyson, come up. Choose who would you like to spar today? To what? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Get back to your corners.
Mates.
King.